This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performances do not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk. There's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the Market Wrap. My name is Ivan Caesar, and this is the Market Wrap for January 29th, 2007. In the news, Merrill Lynch & Company, in its biggest acquisition in almost 10 years, agreed to buy First Republic Bank for $1.8 billion to gain clients with an average net worth of $20 million. The transaction values San Francisco-based First Republic at $55 a share, Merrill said today in a statement. This is 44% more than the bank's closing price on January 26th. The yield on the benchmark 10-year note rose 2 basis points to 4.9% in New York, according to broker Cantor Fitzgerald LP. Federal Reserve policymakers on January 31st are expected to hold rates steady at 5.25% for a fifth straight meeting, this according to all 118 economists surveyed by Bloomberg News. Interest rate futures show that traders no longer expect a rate cut during the first half of the year, and they're less certain there will be one in the second half. For earnings news, Verizon Communications Inc., the second largest U.S. telephone company, said fourth quarter profit declined 38% because of costs to build a fiber optic network and shed assets. CEO Ivan Seitenberg sacrificed profits from the wireless unit to expand Verizon's faster network for internet and TV service. The $23 billion investment is designed to compete with cable companies such as Comcast. Sharon Plow Corp fourth quarter earnings surged 62% as combined sales of its Vytorin and Zetia cholesterol drugs jumped to $1.1 billion. Chief Executive Officer Fred Hassan closed plants and fired 2,000 workers to cut $100 million in 2007 costs. Sharing, the eighth biggest drug maker by sales, said it expects revenue from the company's cholesterol drugs to increase this year, even as the treatment faces competition from generic copies of Merck and Zocor's companies. Upcoming economic releases: Tuesday will find consumer spending, and for the earning releases, Tuesday will have earnings from 3M, Black & Decker, Burger King, Colgate-Palmolive, JetBlue, Kellogg, SanDisk, Sony, U.S. Steel, UPS, and U.S. Airways. As far as stocks to watch, Bristol-Myers Squibb Company shares rose a 2-year high after a French newsletter reported that the drug maker is in talks to combine with Sanofi Aventis and create the world's largest drug maker. Symantec Corp., the world's biggest maker of antiviral software, agreed to buy Altaris Inc. for about $838 million in cash to gain programs that help companies manage software for their business. Altaris shareholders will receive a $33 a share. This comes from the Cupertino, California company. That is a 22% more than Altaris' closing price of $27.14 on January 26. This has been Market Wrap for January 29th, 2007.